What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another vid. Today we did get a dub as a trade recap. Today's trade recap for December 22nd. So today we did get a profit. We did come back a little. Originally I did lose. Let's get into this. So originally I did lose. I'm not gonna show it because it shows my whole account shit, so I'm not gonna do it. But so coming into market, noticed that we were really bullish, but it looks like we were just making lower highs, and it was still like in a downtrend basically. But we were in an uptrend and we had to fill an imbalance, so kept that in mind, and we had a lot of draws of liquidity that had to get filled. So market opens and I did notice a fair value gap. Oh wait, no. I noticed that we made the SMT literally from this candle to this candle, made higher highs and it made a higher low, so NQ was already making his move down. And on here we already made equal highs and we made an SMT. And also I had equilibrium to the downside from the swing high to the swing low right here. Price did tap and indeed react off of that. So you know I had to go on the 1 minute for both. So I did do. And then I waited for price just to react out of it, either with the breaker structure, SMT, or an inverse or value gap. And first thing I get is a inverse. First thing I get on ES was an inverse or value gap right here. And as soon as I seen that price inversed, I literally just entered off of this candle where it was already forming. And I targeted this recent low. This red line is my break-even mark. And it set my risk reward at like a $200 trade, which is not bad. I'll accept it. But we are in profit. As you can see on the balance, it says 51K. So we are up a band for the month, thankfully. Thank you. All thanks to the Lord. Gonna do it without Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is number one out of everything that I'm doing. But really good trade today. Like really good trade. We also get the breaker structure right here, as you can see. But yeah, really good trade, guys. Today was a really good day. This is the risk reward. I wish it set it at like 1,000, so I probably would have made 2K off of this. But we always gotta be thankful for what we get and stuff. I keep on looking this way, bro. We gotta be thankful. We're even trading. Tomorrow is another trading day. Tomorrow should be free day too. I think it's just news and stuff, but it's nothing too crazy. It's just orange files and stuff, guys. So shouldn't be nothing too crazy, I believe. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Wednesday they close the markets early. Yeah, so hopefully I pass my funded account literally like this week, guys. And then we had also equilibrium on the 1 minute as well. Price did tap into that as well. So I did yes indeed change it up a bit. I wanted part of the strategy is basically just taking the trade off of the 1 minute, which is more riskier. But I understand it, and my boy too. We both took the same trade but opposite indexes for some reason. But we both won at the end of the day. Of course, NQ was already making his move down, but ES didn't, and we both had the same a little bit confluences. We just both took opposite trade. It doesn't matter. We both won. We both had our confluences right. We took a good trade, and price just. As you can see on this 1006 candle, through this time, price was consolidating a bit. So I put my stop at break even at like negative $35, which I think negative $35 don't bother me as a loss. So I was like, okay, like I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Boom. Also did notice we had when this candle got inversed, I noticed that we had a fair value gap right here, and it did get respected. Thankfully, did get respected. Continue pushing lower and lower, and boom, we take profit one hit, Originally, I was this at this low, but I didn't want to be too greedy. But yes, we still would have got hit. But I just targeted this low instead. Just targeted this low right here, which is still a dub. You know, we're still making wins. We're still making moves. So today was a good trading day, guys. We're up. We made like 300 and something. As you can see here on my balance, it says 51K. I was up 700, but I took like a $900 loss, and I lost that 2K I made. But you know, we're up 1.6, I believe, for the month, which 1.1, I think. Pretty good, pretty good. I just need to pass this eval, guys. I just need to pass this account, and then it's go time from there. Gotta get my payout and then buy more. I'm gonna get my top step accounts for sure. I'm gonna get like 5 of those, pass all of them, then just hit all the trades and continue doing what I'm doing. I mean, today was a banger trade as well. Today was really good. I really liked today's trade. Today was really good. So hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you guys lock in with God and change your ways. And 2026 is gonna be a whole brand new year for all of us entrepreneurs. If you're doing job shipping, day trading, whatever, e-com, brand scaling, new year, today, next year is going to be earning for me. I know I am going to earn it because I've been doing this for 6 months, and I'll tell you that the journey is rough, but it is worth the wait, guys. So if you guys are barely in your first, second month into whatever you guys are doing, including day trading, and you feel like quitting, do not do it, because at that time I felt like quitting too, and I was really down low, and I just found God in my life, and I'm coming back up. I asked him for wisdom, wealth. The wealth is gonna come soon, but I asked for wisdom, and it just, I'm like a robot at this. Like, I understand it. So I hope you guys stay blessed. I hope you guys have a good week. Have a Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Yeah, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So later.